Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to use Epictok App History Audio Stories. So you might be wondering what is Epictok here and how to exactly use it. So first, what is Epictok? So Epictok is a history and educational storytelling app that presents historical events and famous figures through short audio stories and AI-generated animated videos. Now, according to the official website here and app listing, the app is designed to make history easier to learn by turning historical topics into engaging bite-sized stories that can be, or in this case, that can be watched or listened to in about 10 minutes. Now, its content covers famous leaders, battles, inventions, and other important moments in world history. Now, using Epictok is quite straightforward. You just need to download the app, and after downloading and creating an account, you can browse its collection of historical stories by category, select a topic that interests you, then choose whether to listen to the narrated audio version or to watch the AI generated animated video. Now, the app is designed to so that you can learn while commuting, exercising, or relaxing, and it is or regularly adds new stories and content updates. Premium subscriptions unlock the full content library and additional features. So, according to the developer here, Epic Talk features more than 100 history stories, high quality narration, HD animated visuals, and themed collections covering subjects such as leadership, innovation, famous historical figures, and major world events. Subscription options include monthly 3-month and annual plans and automatic renewal unless canceled through your App Store account. Now that's essentially how Epic Talk works. So instead of reading long history books or articles, it delivers educational content through short audio episodes and then AI enhanced animations, making it suitable for users who prefer learning in smaller, more engaging sessions. But yeah, so if you're considering subscribing here, doing your own research is always recommended. So looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website can help you decide whether the app matches your learning style. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.